to welcome you to Ogbonna and to say a very Merry Christmas to all of us. Merry Christmas! Same to you, leader! Go, leader! To me, this is a special occasion. Since the re-election of our governor, Godwin Obaseki and Philip Shagu, I've never seen a PDP gathering like the one we are witnessing today. Yes. Correct. Everybody is here. Everybody is here. The women are here. The youth are here. The party officials are here. Everybody is here. Correct. Clap for yourselves. Yes, For me, what is more, we have all the aspirants who are eager to fly our flag at the next governorship election. They are all here. Filishaku is here. That's why Igodalo is here. Yakubu John Yakubu is here. Jofe is here. Every other aspirant is here. I've been given the rare privilege to host members of PDP in Edo State to an end-of-year party and a Christmas party. We've been doing this for the past few years, and you can see for yourself, the people are happy, I'm happy, and I believe our God is happy. If the party in Edo State get it right, there is no doubt we are winning the governorship of this state. You can see for yourself the enthusiasm of people. They came on their own to come and join us to celebrate this party. Don't forget, I led this party as state chairman for 8 years, an additional 4 years as acting chairman, making 12 years of uninterrupted leadership of the party. We've done what it takes to make the party a viable platform for anybody who wants to win election in Edo State. There is no crisis. We are here. We are here to correct the wrongs. But the party must take note of the peculiar situation on ground in Edo State if we must win election. God bless you. Thank you, Chairman.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.